Hi friend, welcome. We were talking about functions in JavaScript. So in this video, we will talk about the parameters that works in JavaScript. So I am giving you a very nice and very easy example. Even it's so simple to learn you the working of parameter uh, more. Even we have learned about a little about the parameters in last video, but here is another example to show you more explanation and easy things. So first of all, I am going to call going to create a function like fun cti1 function, and giving I am just going to giving a two parameters a and b. These are the two parameters. I just name it, and here is the curly brackets, you know about it, curly, and here we write another a b, and you can see just like right, I'm going to write here c is a variable, and it's I'm giving just like that, assigning a a multiply, just going to you can write anything, multiply b plus or anything what you want, and here is the semicolon, and now here will be the return, r e t u r n, return, and return c. So it will return the value of c, and here it must be the closing of curly brackets. This is the curly brackets, and I'm going to, so it is closed, and now here is going to document write or alert, anything what you want. I'm just going to write alert, alert, and it's a curly bracket, and sorry, not curly bracket, parenthesis, and here is semicolon. I'm going to write here uh, the name of function, but we did not we have to must have to write a name of function because we forgot to name of function here. So the name of function will be my fun, fum. Yes, be remember, it's a declaring a function, and here will be the name of function. So here the name of function my and func, it's a name of function, done. And now here are two parentheses more. In these parentheses we will give the value of a and b. Control plus s to save it, and I just going to giving it's a value of 34 comma for the a, and 12 is the value for the b. Now these value will be taken by these parameters, and these value will be simple as that, will be assigned to these parameters a and b. After assigning these value, here will be multiplied, because here we write c is equal to a multiplied by b, and after this return mean it will return the value of c, mean it this function is returning something. So what is it returning? Actually it is returning the value of c. You can return anything from function, so this is very nice example to learn how to return the value from function. So control plus has to save it, and going back here I'm going to open it, what it you can see 408, and I just going to create here anything, right, divide, control plus s to save it, and you will see again refreshing it, and you can see it's a divide 2.8, and going to minus control plus S to save it, and going back, and you'll see 22 is going minus, and you can do it what you want, and I am going to add it, and going to 34 again, writing 34 plus 34, what will be 68. So here, refreshing, you can see 68. I hope you have understood the parameters and its of using in functions, and you can do what you want. I am going to calling it more, just giving example D, and here will be plus D, and here going to write data, giving a D to 36, control plus S to save. Now see what will happen, and you can see these three values have been added. So you can play around more. So thanks for watching.